What is up, everybody? Today I want to talk about what's my super overpacked camera bag for 2019. So let's get into it. So first of all, we have the Donkey F2, which is a camera bag I really like. We have a notebook back here. We got batteries, more batteries, anything else? Got a industrial Sharpie. I have my tripod hooked on the front here. This is a Zomi tripod. I really like this thing. It's very useful. Open it up. First things first, we got a flash. This is an off-brand flash. I really don't care about the super expensive ones because they pretty much all do the same thing. We got my A7R in here. And I have a wood grip for it, and it's pretty nice. Got it from JB Designs on Amazon. Got my D500. We've got a Zoom H4n. We've got one of my favorite lenses, the Sigma 18-35 for Nikon. We've got a Tamron, sorry, this is a, Tamron 70-200, 2.8. We have this is literally my favorite lens here. We have a Voigtlander 58mm 1.4. I love this thing, absolutely love it. Fits on my Nikon. I have an adapter for Nikon for A7, so this is my adapter. We have a 18-140 Nikon for DX for my D500. We have a Tokina 11-16 2.8. We've got a spare battery here for my D500. Got two rechargeable batteries for my H4n. A couple empties for the memory cards. A couple more rechargeable batteries. We've got my Phantom 3 battery for the standard. We have a windscreen for the H4n. We have an XQD reader, which I got off Amazon. We have a microfiber cloth, an empty memory card, another one, empty memory card holder. We've also got earplugs. We have more microfiber. Dropped one. Oh, we have a Galaxy S8 adapter. More microfiber. Of course, you always need those no matter what. So here's the empty camera bag. I really like it. Very durable, very rugged. I've had no problems with it. I could pretty much fit everything in there, and it has the USPS official mailman adapter where you have you could put a whole lot of weight on it and not have to worry. I've never had problems with too heavy of equipment, which is really saying something because, God, there's probably about 30 or 40 pounds worth of equipment in here. And that's my camera bag. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody, I did forget one thing, and it's my Vivitar 24mm f2 here. And I don't always keep it in my camera bag because it doesn't quite fit, but I use it on my A7R exclusively. So it is a Nikon lens, but I love it on the A7R because it's a perfect little run and gun kind of size. And so I keep it in this little case here. So sometimes I'll keep it in my camera bag, but not often. Just one more thing. Occasionally when I'm carrying my A7R by itself, I'll carry it in this kind of cheap little bathroom bag. And what I'll do is I'll put it in canvas in this bathroom bag, and then I'll put this bathroom bag down here, and I'll put it inside my backpack, zipped up of course, so it fits perfectly, so it's super protected. And I'll just zip this up here, or clasp it. And it's perfect, so I can just carry around my backpack here.